Hello, class 8th. So, we are going to begin a new chapter, chapter number 10. Yes, the name of chapter 10 is Reaching the Adolescence. Yes, the name of chapter number 10 is Reaching the Adolescence. The name, as you can see on your screen. Okay, this is chapter number 10, and it's a very interesting chapter. It is related to you. Okay, it is related to you. I want to ask you a question before we begin the chapter. Can you tell me what is the actual meaning of teenager? Yes, can you tell me the meaning of teenager? Yes, teenager actually are those kids whose age is between 13 to 18. Yes, why do we use the word TEEN, teen, in every spelling? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, teen, because it tells the that they are the teenager. Yes, means what? It means they are neither completely developed and nor they are well understandable. So that is the point. Yes, actually these teenagers, the issue is that they don't have the proper knowledge about what is right and what is wrong. Yes, this age tells. Actually, in this age, many complexion occur, and in the brain, many thoughts just like a flowing river. Yes, the flow, just like a flowing river. So, this age is actually called teenagers. Okay, that's why they are known as teenager. Okay, I hope you understood the meaning. So they whose age is between okay, they are called teenager, or they are also called adolescent. Okay, adolescent. But in your book, the def in your book, the age is given different, little bit different. Okay, we will study about it. Okay, and apart from this, we will also study the topic which is called puberty. Yes, we will also study the topic puberty. Okay, we will study about puberty, and we will also study the changes happen during the puberty, and how to do calculation for height, and what changes occur in boys, what changes occur in girls. We will study about about apple. Which apple, I will tell later. Okay, so and we will also study about the different kind of glands. Yes, there are many glands present, so we will also study about them. Okay, those glands, and and we will also study about the hormones. Yes, those hormones which are very important. Okay, we will study about them. I hope you understood. Now let's move on to the next point. Okay, so our first topic is adolescence and puberty. Adolescence and puberty. Let's try to understand what is the actual meaning of adolescence and puberty. As you can see, the spelling of adolescence: ADOLESCENCE, adolescence, and puberty, puberty. So, so what is adolescence? Actually, adolescence is that period of life when body undergoes changes. Means what? That that fixed age of girls and boys in which changes happen in the body, many kind of changes happen in the body, so which lead to reproductive maturity. And because of these changes we started becoming mature. Yes, we started becoming mature. That period of life is called adolescence. Yes. So or which I can say that the period of life from the age of 11 to 18 or 19, the age period of life from the age of 11 to 19, the period of age from 11 to 19 is called adolescence. And uh, this age boys and girls are called adolescent. Yes. So the period of life when body undergoes changes. Yes, there are many changes occur, like beard started growing. Yes, height grow. So these leading reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Okay, so what is the meaning of adolescence? Reproductive maturity occur due to during this period of life when body goes under change. So it begins around the age of 11 years. Yes, our age start our changes in the body start from the age 11 and last up to 19 years of age. So adolescents are also called teenagers. Yes, adolescents are also called teenagers. Okay. uh, in girls, adolescence begin a year or 2 year earlier than in boy. Yes, you might have seen that the girls height increase faster than boys. Yes, because the adolescence means body undergoes change 1 or 2 year before boys. Yes, it happens. And the human body undergoes a number of changes. Yes, like the testes start to make sperm. Yes, we have already studied about the male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. So you know that what is sperm and what is egg, what is male gamete, female gamete, you already know the meaning. Yes, so the testes start to make sperm. Sperm means male cell, male gamete start to form in the testes. Yes, testes is actually the part of male reproductive organ. And the ovaries start to make egg. Yes, ovaries start to make egg. Yes, ovaries are actually the part of female reproductive organ, and they make the egg. Egg means male gamete, or you can say male cell. In other word, the reproductive organ become functional. Yes, the reproductive organ start functioning. And the age at which reproductive organ become function the age at which reproductive organ become functionally active is called puberty. Yes, what is puberty? Puberty is actually that age, that time our reproductive organ start to do function. Means, okay, so means testes start to produce sperm, and ovaries start to make egg. So in that age these male reproductive organ, female reproductive organ start functioning. So that age is called puberty. Otherwise the age between 11 to 19 is called adolescent, or they are also called teenager. Okay, and what is the meaning of adolescence? Adolescence and adolescent, adolescence and adolescence both are different words. Adolescence is actually that period of life when body undergoes changes and we lead towards the reproductive maturity. And the age of and these age people these age boys and girls are called this age is called adolescence, and this age boys and girls are called adolescent. Okay, and puberty means when the reproductive organ means male and female reproductive organ start functioning. Okay, means they start producing sperm and egg, then this age is called puberty. Okay, therefore the boys and girls become capable of reproduction. That's why the boys and girls become capable of reproduction. Okay, so I hope you understood. So now we will study that. First of all, I will show you those changes which happen during puberty. Yes, during puberty means when the male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ start forming sperm and eggs respectively, that time what changes occur? Let's see a list. Let's see, first of all, let's see the list, then we will study one by one. Okay, so now let's move on the next point. Okay, so changes at puberty. Yes, what kind of changes occur during puberty? Yes, what is puberty? Puberty is that age when male reproductive organ, female reproductive organ start functioning. Yes, so as you can see on the screen, I have shown the changes list. Yes, I have shown the changes list. Changes, I have shown totally 6 changes. Okay, so first change is increase in height. Second change is body shape. Yes, body shape start changing. Voice also start changing. Yes, the voice thin become very rough. Yes. In fourth change is increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. Yes, these are two gland, sweat gland and sebaceous gland. So they become very active. We will also study about different kind of gland. You know, gland produce hormone. Glands produce hormone. What is hormone? Hormone is actually a chemical substance which when it becomes active, then our body function. For example, why do we anger? Because of there is a hormone which is called adrenaline hormone. Yes, adrenaline hormone which causes, because of this hormone, adrenaline hormone, we got angry. Now point number 5, is development of sex organ. Yes, sex organs start developing. Yes, sex organ starts developing. Okay, sex organ, you know which are the sex organ? Yes, we have already studied in the chapter of reproduction chapter. We have already studied there are two sex organ, male reproduction and female reproductive organ. Male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ, both are sex organ. So they are responsible um, for producing daughter cell. Yes, producing daughter cell, you know, because of sperm released by male reproductive organ and egg released by female reproductive organ. Zygote is formed during fertilization, which develop into embryo, and embryo develop into fetus, and fetus develop into new baby. Yes. Point number 6 is reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Yes, kids, the boys and girls means teenager, or you can say adolescent, or you can say teenagers start developing. Yes, their brain start developing, they start thinking, they think lot of things. Yes, it happens in this age. So if you have any confusion, kids, let me tell you one thing, that if you are confused for anything, you should talk with your parents, you should talk with the teachers, so they can resolve your issue, they can solve your problem. Yes, if you are confused for anything, or you are mentally disturbed or anything, because in this age what happens, we got angry also. Yes, so feeling start developing, and we start making friends, so many things happen in this age. Yes, so you should discuss with your parents, and parents should behave like a friend with teenagers. Yes, so changes at puberty, these are the changes. Change number 1, increase in height. Point number 2, change in body shape. Point number 3, voice changes, increase activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. Point number 5, development of sex organ. Point number 6, reaching mental, intellectual, emotionally maturity. Yes, now let's move on the next point. Okay, it's increase in height. Increase in height occur in both boys and girls. Yes, teenagers height start developing, but I think you might have noticed, if you have ever noticed, that the height of girls grow more faster than boys, then boys' height start growing. So the most changes during puberty happen. One of them is increase in height. Yes. So when the height increase, kids, when the height increase, that time bones also start developing. Yes, the bones also start developing. Yes, so that's why when our bones, and the mainly basically the bones of legs, arms start developing, and we started becoming very 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 strong. Yes, so when the bones elongate, yes, elongate, 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 so that make a person tall, that make a, because of it, our height increase, and we become tall. Yes, we become tall. Is it correct? Yes. So it happens, it happens, our height increase. So sometime, generally the height of a human being is around 6 feet, and but sometime when the hormones release too much, those hormone who increase the height, when they release too much from the gland, then height increase so fast, and sometimes we become 7 foot, 8 foot. There are many people whose height is 7 feet, 8 feet. Okay, so it happens because height increase. Well, it is said that our height increase at the age of 21. Yes, it is said that our height increase at the age of 21. Yes, till you grow, till you grow 21, your height will increase. Then after 21, your height will not increase, it stopped. Yes, so you should run, you should keep yourself healthy in this age. Yes, this is the age during we need to take care of our personal health. Yes, we should take care of our body, we should eat healthy food, you should drink, we should drink milk. Yes, and keep away yourself from wine, alcohol, gutka, whatever. So tobacco you should keep away. Yes, they are very harmful. So they can cause cancer, many kind of issue. So and if you are going, if someone, suppose if someone is trying to, if your friend, suppose your friend say to you that let's go to drink alcohol, then say no, tightly say no, they are actually very harmful, they are not good for good health. Yes, they are very bad for health. Yes, so you should uh, keep away from such kind of friend, they are not good for you. Yes, make distance from such kind of friend. Okay, and they, because in this age you can either be good or you can be either be bad, you can either be good or bad, both things can happen. You will become a good person or you will become a bad person if you will choose wrong things. Okay, like alcohol, wine, beer, whatever. So you are going towards the hell, you are going towards the destruction of your life. Yes, so please try to understand, your brain is developing in this age also, you are becoming mature, so you need to think what is right and what is wrong. If you are confused that what is right and what is wrong, if you are confused that what is right and what is wrong, you can ask to teacher, you can ask, you can take the help of your parents, you can take the help of those teacher whom with you can talk freely without hesitation. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, calculation for full height, how to do calculation for full height. But before it, let me tell you kids, that if we talk about the average height, then at the age of 18, at the age of 18, boys height and girls height become equal. At the age of 18, the boys height and girls height become equal. Okay, but when your age is around 11, because adolescent age start from 11, so when your age is 11, that time the girls height is more than boys. That time actually the girls height is around 88% in percentage, I am telling, and the boys height is 81%. Suppose that girls height, when you are 11, that time maybe your height is, if your girls height is 4.5, then boys height will be 4. Okay, and at the age of 13, the girls height become 95% and boys height become 88%, and at the age of 16, girls height become 99% and boys height become 98%. Yes, at the age of 18, girls height become 100% and boys height also become 100%. Okay, it happened. Now as you can see, calculation for full height. Yes, so there is a formula written which can be used for calculation. So if you want to do the calculation, you will write the height in percentage. Okay, and at divided by percentage of full height at this age, and into multiplied by 100. So how will you do the calculation of height? First of all, you will write present height. What is your height? Suppose your height is 4 feet. Suppose your height is 4 feet. Okay, and in percentage, suppose your height is in percentage is 80%, then you can easily do the calculation. You will divide and you will get in percentage your height. Yes, you will get your in percentage your height. For example, as you can see, example is written that a boy is 9 years old. A boy is 9 years old and 110 centimeter tall. At the end of the growth period life, he is likely to be. So what will be his height? So we'll use the formula present height. So what is the present height? 120 centimeter. And in percentage, if we calculate, then we will divide by 75, and because at the age of 9, the height of boy is 75. Okay, the height of boy is 75%. So 120 divided by 75 multiplied by 100, then we will get 160 centimeter tall. Yes, in this way we can easily calculate the height. Yes, so you will use this formula if you want to calculate the height. Okay, okay, and I hope you understood about it, that how to calculate the height. It is very easy. Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, it's time to ask question from you. Question number 1. What is adolescence and adolescence? Yes, what is adolescence and adolescent? So first let's understand the definition adolescence. Adolescence. Adolescence is the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. And those boys and girls whose age is between 11 to 19 are called adolescent. Adolescent are also called teenagers. Yes. Okay. So the boys and girls are called adolescent, and the period of life means the age when the body undergoes changes is called adolescence. Okay. Now question number 2. What do you mean by puberty? What do you mean by puberty, and what changes occurs during puberty? Yes. So puberty means when the reproductive organs start functioning. The age at which during our reproductive organ start functioning, that age is actually called, that is actually known as puberty. Okay, that is actually the meaning of puberty. Okay, so the reproductive organs become functional, the age at which reproductive organs become functionally active, and the age at which reproductive organ become functionally active is called puberty. Yes. So what changes occur during puberty? So point number one, height can increase. Yes, your height will increase. You will become just like Amitabh Bachchan or Abhishek Bachchan also, or you can become Chote Miyan. Yes, your height will not increase. Point number two, change in body shape. Yes, body shape will change. You can become very strong. Yes, okay. It's depend on food also. What kind of food you are eating. So you should try to eat healthy food instead of eating burger, pizza. What the hell is this? All these are shitty things, not good for health. Yes, try to avoid them. Cold drink, those are useless things. Point number three, voice change. Yes, your voice change. Your voice from become very strong. Yes, harsh voice become. Your voice does not remain soft, but the voice of girls become soft, and the voice of boys become very harsh, useless, not good. Yes. Point number four, increase activity of sweat gland, sebaceous gland. Yes, you start sweating also. uh, so development of sex organ, yes, male reproductive organ, female reproductive organ start developing. They are called sex organ. Male reproductive organ start releasing sperm, and female reproductive organ start releasing eggs. Point number six, reaching mentally, intellectually, emotionally maturity. Yes, you become mature. It means not completely mature. You started becoming mature. Means you try to understand the things which are happening around you, and you try to accept them. You try to accept them whether it is wrong or right. You try to accept them. So the point is that teenagers need guidance. Teenagers need guidance. We need to actually tell them what is right and what is wrong. Sometimes it happens that parents also if kids want to know about any topic, sometimes happens that parents also hesitate to talk with them on that topic. It happens. So parents should not hesitate to talk with them. If you are unable to if kids teenagers, I want to say to teenagers, if you are unable to do conversation with your parents, then you can do with teachers. The teacher can help you. Yes, we are always ready. So this age is very important. Okay, I hope you understood the actual meaning. Okay, now we will meet in next class. We will study some new topics. Till then, bye bye.